beautiful Submariner. Looks super clean on this brushed stainless steel Oyster bracelet. Here we have the clasp going up to the bottom angle of the watch. Super clean. Here we have the bottom left. Here's the case side. Here's the top left. Here's the top of the watch. Top right. Here's the crown side. And bottom right. Opening it up, here we have the open clasp. We have the case back, super clean. Let's go ahead and show you the functions. Here we do have the unidirectional bezel. Has a nice clicky sound to it. Unscrewing this crown will go ahead and pop out. Once it does pop out, you can manually wind up the watch. Pulling it out all the way will go ahead and change your hands. Doing a 24-hour sweep should change your date. Another thing to look out for is if the minute hand is at the 12, should be able to change, should be able to be aligned perfectly with each hour. Alright, now let's go ahead and set it to 6:30. Go ahead and set it to your time. So it is 2 hours ahead. Right now it's 4:30. So 4 and then 30. And for you it'd be like 6:30. There you go. Just telling your time. We're going to show you that beautiful teal blue lume. Let's go ahead and show you the set contents. You have the 2 links I take out for you because here are the actual same wrist size. Here we have the sub-date booklet. Here's the warranty card showing you the serial and reference. Warranty wallet showing you the warranty guarantee manual. Cool. Next up, let's go ahead and verify the watch. So let's read out the Rehalt 38H2382. There you go. Perfect. Squeeze this all in. Yeah. I know this watch is going to go in great hands. You always love to enjoy your watches when we do send them out to you. Here we do have a little bezel protector.